to the convocation ceremony at BSc Sports and Exercise Science. In our midst today, we have our Dean of Science, Dr. Nitin Desai, sir, our Head of the Department, Professor of Practice, Dr. Uttam Kendre. I request Nitin Khanvilkar, sir, to escort our guest to the dais. Let us all applaud. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you all to celebrate the achievement of our graduating students to the 4th convocation ceremony. On this occasion, I bring to you a quote by an anonymous. Education is the passport to future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. I now request our Dean of Science, Dr. Nitin Desai, sir, to say a few words to our graduating young minds.
Good afternoon, everybody. Sorry. Professor Kendre, faculties of Department of Sports Sciences, dear students, parents. Am I audible now? Audible? Yeah. So, dear students and parents, so it is great pleasure for me to award you the degrees on this occasion of this convocation. Definitely, this is one of the important day in the student's life. We also have gone through this phase of excitement of taking the degrees from the universities, because this is the era where now your actual journey of your life starts. Because see, we have chosen different areas, and I must congratulate you all because you have chosen Somaiya Vidyavara University, and that too in the very challenging field and exciting field, that is sports science.
Master Dhruv Salyan. Master Zishan Muhammad. Miss Vaishnavi Sawant. Miss Shrisha Dhanke. I now invite Maya School of Music and Performing Arts to continue with their degree distribution.
With your kind permission, 2 words, I just want to say because first time the degree in Somaiya it is been distributed. Yeah. Hello, namaskar. Good afternoon to everyone, especially the parents, those who are present here, and of course, respected Sports Director, Mumbai University, Dr. Uttam Kendre, Dr. Nitin Desai, Dean of Science, Dr. Prasad Bide, my other professor colleagues, faculty members, my admin staff, all the degree holders, Namaskar and Suswagatam. Why I am standing here? Only 2 minutes I am going to take. Because first time in the history of Somaiya, the degree has been awarded to the students as MPA, that is master's degree. Big round of applause to all of them. Up till एखादा मुलगा जेव्हा संगीत परस्यू करायचा विचार करायचा तेव्हा त्या कलाकाराला विचारलं जातं, ठीक आहे तू काय करतो? गाणं करतो. पण याचं काय म्हणजे खायचं काय? हा पहिला प्रश्न समाजाकडून प्रत्येक कलावंताला विचारला गेला. आणि आता सोमय्या युनिव्हर्सिटीने पर्टिक्युलरली आय वुड लाईक टू मेन्शन अबाउट आवर चान्सलर डिअर समीर भाई की त्यांनी हे म्युझिक स्कूल 2015 मध्ये मला सुरू करायला सांगितलं. त्यावेळेला हे 60 विद्यार्थ्यांचं एक युनिट होतं, पण त्याला कुठल्याही संस्थेशी सर अफिलिएशन नव्हतं आमच्या. एक सोमय्या म्युझिक स्कूल म्हणून आम्ही त्यावेळेला त्याचा उल्लेख करायचो. काळाच्या ओघात कोविड नंतर वी गॉट मेनी स्टुडंट्स. समीर सर हॅड टेकन अ कॉल अँड ही सेड नाव सविता वी वॉन्ट टू शिफ्ट दिस स्मॉल युनिट इन टू दी कॉलेज or as a faculty. And so for me, for my other colleagues, Rupak Pawar, who is sitting here with me, who is a very good tabla player, tablist rather, a Akashwani A-grade artist. Now recently, Dr. Prasad Bide, as an assistant director, he had joined to us. And of course, I'm Savita Moge, Deputy Director of Maya Somaiya School of Music. And I served for 35 years in the Somaiya, 5 years as a Vice Principal, and now I'm looking after the music school. Today is a memorable day in my life, so I would like to congratulate each and every factor who is involved in this particular journey. Today I remember Sunita Gangrade Madam also. Of course, my support team, rather, Administrative Officer Mangal Parab, big round of applause to her. Avinash, EA2 Dean Sir, Savant Sir, Shivam, our rather support system staff, Drupad, everybody is equally involved and important to us. So with lot of gratitude, I want to say thank you to each one of them. Today, Tapan Bedse and Sumangala Khamankar, both of them were awarded gold medals in vocal and flute. And now our another student, Bhavana, she is going to awarded, she will be getting the award, degree award rather. So I'm very happy, very grateful to Samir sir. And of course, the parents, those who have encouraged their kids to do the degree in this, because आता संगीत सुद्धा आयुष्यभर खाता पिता येईल व्यवस्थित असा पैसा उपलब्ध करून देतो. So those who are here musically inclined, those who want to do something related to the music, Please encourage them. Please ask them to join the music college and school. All the best to Tapan, Sumangala madam and Bhavna. Hopefully we are looking forward you will take admission for PhD also in our institute. At present we have got altogether 77 new admissions. Last year's 45 admissions. We have got flute, harmonium, tabla, vocal, Kathak, Bharatanatyam, various diplomas also into it, and soon we'll start with drama, dramatist, under the able guidance of Prasad sir. So once again, I'm very grateful and happy to share all these things, the progress of our institution. Definitely, I don't want to forget to mention Azaz sir, that he had given this opportunity, to collaborate with you, because we are all toddlers, so we can't organize the separate program, and that is why, we are here. After all Somayites are Somayites, हम सब भाई बहन हैं, तो आपके साथ इन लोगों को हम felicitate कर रहे हैं, बहुत खुशी हो रही है. And I'm feeling very proud that is Dr. Nitin Desai and Dr. Uttam Kendre. They are here, and from there, you can say hands, lucky hands rather, able hands, the degree will be distributed. So thank you so much. Thank you one and all. And please spread the word that music also can earn bread and butter. Thank you so much. Music is the heart of the language. It can change the mind. It can change the heart. That's what I spoke about this. Thank you so much. Thank you for this 2-3 minutes to speak. And of course, our able, dynamic Dean Sir, Niladri Kumar. Today we are missing him. Big round of applause of him. Under his able guidance, we have reached up to this particular, we can say, level. So I'm remembering him, and his best wishes are all of, are there with all of us. Thank you so much. Thank you for this time. Thank you. तूच announce कर now, and so I'll go there.
The degree distribution for Maya School of Music and Performing Arts. I now call upon Bedse Tapan. Calling upon Hadavle Bhavna. Hadavle Bhavna. Thank you, sir, for doing the honors. I now invite Dr. Nitin Khanvilkar, sir, to propose the vote of thanks.
Good afternoon to one and all. It's an immense pleasure to extend my vote of thanks to all of you, starting with our Chancellor, Shri Samir Somaya ji, our Vice Chancellor, Professor Rajshekaran Pillai, our Registrar, Dr. Gilki, our Exam Controller, Dr. Karandikar sir. I would also like to extend my warm welcome and heartfelt gratitude and thanks to our Director, Mr. Ijaz Khan, to our Assistant Director, Mr. Aditya Singh, our Head of the Department, Dr. Uttam Kendre, and our Chief Guest, Dr. Nitin Desai. Vote of thanks is not an ending of any of the function, but it's a medium to express the gratitude, the belongingness which is spent together. So I extend my thanks to the team of Somaya Sports Academy, the administrative office, the coaching staff, faculties, our administrative officer, Mr. Nizam, dear parents, and my dear students. It's an immense pleasure with you for past 3 years. It was a complete learning phase, and with you, we also grow. Our mission is to create an ecosystem of sports wherein we could see our own talent being part of that ecosystem. So our journey continues with every batch. Thank you so much for being part of this convocation. Thank you so much.
We will now award the convocation ceremony to Mr. Sarthak Dandekar. He is not here today, but on behalf of him, I invite his dad to receive the convocation degree at the hands of our head of the department and assistant director, Uttam sir and Aditya sir. Sarthak Dandekar's parents receiving the degree on behalf of their son. Let us all put our hands together. Thank you, sir. I would end with a quote by E.O. Wilson. You are capable of more than you know. Choose a goal that seems right for you and strive to be the best, however hard the path is. And with this note, I request each of us to stand as we will have a national anthem. We will sing the national anthem, led by a student from the Music and Performing Arts.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभाशिष मागे गाहे तब जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे भारत माता की
Thank you so much, everyone, for being here. And I request all students to come for an official photograph. All graduating students to please assemble for an official photograph.